Well, it's Christmas Eve, and I'm here alone for a little while. Oh, I've got family, a wonderful wife, and 3 indescribable children. They're so different, we usually say we have one of each, you know. Oh, they're gone for right now. They've gone to the church. There's a Christmas Eve service happening tonight. They asked me to go. Actually, they begged me to go, tortured me to go. But it just really wouldn't be right. I love the holidays as much as most people, I guess. A guy couldn't drink out of a little bare Christmas mug if he didn't have some of the spirit, right? But I just have a problem with this whole Christmas story thing. I mean, really. The idea that Almighty God would decide to become a little baby, born in an out-of-the-way place, in a small little town far away, I just don't get it. I just don't get it. Now, if my wife and kids want to go to the church, that's fine. I'm never going to stand in their way, but I think I just feel like a hypocrite. If I was there celebrating something I just have never really grasped. But the good side of that is, I do have a few minutes here alone and a little bit of peace and quiet before Santa comes to town. I've been needing to catch up on some important reading. One of my friends told me there are these great videos of cats singing Christmas songs. Meow, meow, meow. Yeah. What in the world is going on? I know what it is. It is those pesky neighbor kids. They're throwing snowballs at my windows again. If they break out another window, I have had enough of this. Get out there, I'm going to set them straight, Christmas Eve or not. Whew, it's cold out here. You would think that parents would have enough common sense to keep their children indoors on a night like this. Where are they? I don't know what the world's coming to. If you can't sit and waste time on your iPad in the privacy of your own home, nobody here. There's no snow on the window either. What was that sound? Oh my goodness. Those birds. They're right here near the house in the snow, and they look so confused. They look like they don't know what to do. They look like they'll freeze to death out here is what they look like. Oh, sad. Yeah. It's a warm night indoors, but for those creatures outside, it's pretty tough, I got to say. What am I going to do? I bet you saw the light in my window and tried to fly in, didn't you? You thought there was shelter in there. You ran right into the glass. Well, I can't very well open the window and invite them in. Can you see that conversation in a little while? Hey, honey, how was church? Oh, by the way, I invited a few birds in for the Christmas holidays. Hope you don't mind. Here's Chirpy and Petey and... No, that wouldn't work. She'd kill me. Maybe I can offer them something. The barn's not really warm, but it's out of the snow and the wind's not blowing in there like it is out here. Maybe I could let them have a place in there. I could just pull the door open through the snow. All right. Okay, birds, have at it. I'm going inside. Go on. There's the barn. I've opened it for you. Go. They're not moving. I guess they don't get it. Go on. Maybe I can just sort of shoo them in. Hey, birds, go, 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 go. Go with. No. When I come to them, they fly away. I guess I scared them. Wait for a minute. I know. You can't shoo them in. Maybe you can lead them in. If they see me go into the barn, they'll know it's safe. And they'll go in there too. You know, like example. That would be great. All right. See if I can act like a bird. All right. Come on, birds. Come on. Come with me. Let's go in the barn. Come on. I'm talking baby talk to a group of birds. I have lost my mind. They're not following. I just can't get through to them. All I want is to help. I'm trying to help you. Go in the barn. I know just the thing. All right. Okay. Oh, I was so looking forward to you. But it's a good cause. It's Christmas Eve and all that. Food has never failed to lead my in-laws to my door, especially at the holidays. So maybe if I just make a trail of food, I can lead them into the barn. Come on. This is my sandwich we're talking about here. Great sacrifice. Come on, follow. Right in to the barn. Okay. They won't touch it. I guess they smell my scent on the bread or something. I just can't get through. You stupid birds. Don't you know I'm trying to help? I'm out here freezing to death trying to do something good for you. It's no use. I can't make them understand. To them I look so big and I'm so different and I'm so overwhelming. I'm frightening to them. I don't speak bird. How in the world can I ever get you to understand? I guess I'd have to be a bird. Picture that, me a bird. Probably end up a buzzard or something like that. But if I could be for just a little while, then I could tell them. I could tell them in a way that they could understand that all I want for them is the best, that I've opened this barn for them to find shelter and get out of the storm. I want you to live, not die. I guess that's what it would take. Bells from the church. The service must be starting. Anyway, that's what I'd have to do. I'd have to become one of you so that you could understand. God became one of us so that I can understand. And believe.